Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make OHA soup. OHA soup is a native soup peculiar to the Igbos in the eastern part of Nigeria. It is a special soup made with OHA leaves, a nutritional seasonal plant in IGBO land. Health benefits of OHA leaves. It boosts red blood cells production. It promotes good digestion. It is good for your bones. It regulates blood pressure. It boosts the immune system. We will achieve this today, OHA soup. Special ingredients. OHA leaves, OHA leaves, red meat or chicken, your choice, intestines, fish, stockfish, dry fish. I love the two. Crayfish, pepper, Maggi, periwinkle, red oil, locust beans, iru or ogiri, egusi hand-peeled melon, Achi. Let's process the vegetables. The way you're going to process your OHA leaves is the same way you will process your OHA leaves. So we are processing the vegetables using the same method. Do it that way till you achieve your desired quantity. Parboil your meat, fish, intestine, and stockfish together. Add salt, fresh pepper, crayfish, onions, and Maggi. When it's okay by you, pour the quantity of water you need. Pour your red oil. Add your dry fishes immediately. Remove bone from the fishes and wash with hot water before you add. When it boils, add Maggi, salt, and egusi. Please don't add too much egusi. Don't add too much egusi so it wouldn't be so thick. OHA soup, I don't like it when it's so thick. Just a little egusi to give it nice taste. And it also has a way of brightening the color of the soup. Makes it look yummy. Allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Then pour some water into the achi that you want to use. Stir it very well to loosen it so it wouldn't be too thick in the soup. Pour the achi and stir it together until it thickens. Don't add too much achi, please, and don't put too small achi. It doesn't have to be too watery or too thick. Just normal, just like this, it's okay. Locust beans, I pounded it a little. Once it thickens, add your locust beans, pound it a little. Some people add that way, but I pound or I blend. Add your crayfish immediately after your locust beans. Add periwinkle immediately after the crayfish. Stir together. Add your uziza leaves. After stirring, wash the leaves thoroughly. And immediately put your OHA leaves. You don't need to allow it to boil, to boil so much. Immediately you add it, stir it together and test it immediately. Test for salt, test for pepper, and whatsoever you want to test for. Your soup is ready. Put off the fire immediately after stirring. Wow! Yummy! OHA soup. I love it. And I promise you, you will really love the taste. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.